Guys, today I am looking at a 2.4 gigahertz dual channel set of microphones which you can use not only on your camera but also with your smartphone and even your computer, and I have to say they are pretty cool. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, I've reviewed a ton of these microphones and I have to say most of them are either for camera or smartphone, but few are for both. Now, if you don't know Comica, well, they make a whole bunch of audio equipment, including shotgun microphones, audio interfaces, podcasting kits, as well as these wireless mic setups. This is the Vimo C from Comica, and if you follow my channel, guys, you'll know that you're always going to get my honest review, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these dual channel wireless microphones out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, we have a pretty premium carry case which pretty much houses all of the kit that you get with this setup. Back to that in a second. At the bottom of the box we have some instructions, a warranty card and some stickers and a QR code which took me to a weird website and then redirected me to the App Store to download some kind of weird chat app. Not sure what that's all about, but anyway, back to the kit. Open up that premium carry case and pretty much everything you're going to need is in here. In the top section you have the wind muffs, you've got TRS to TRSS cables, you've got a TRS to TRS cable. You're going to need these cables depending on what kit you're actually connected to. If you're connected to a camera or something like that, you're going to need specific cables. If you're connected to a mobile phone, you're going to need other cables. You also have a charging monitoring cable and various other charging cables. And guys, in the bottom we've got the charging case which houses the receiver and the two microphones. Looking around this charging case, we've got the USB-C charging port on the back, we've got some LEDs that show you battery level status, and once you open up that charging case you're going to see the receiver and the two microphone transmitters. Now, taking the items out immediately turns them on and pairs the mics with the receiver. Now a quick look at the microphone receivers and you've got a blue LED to show you that the unit is on and paired to the receiver. On the top you have the microphone pickup, on the back you have a clip to attach to your clothing, etc. And on the side you have a power stroke mute button, and below that you have a denoise pairing button. Yes, denoise. This uses some swanky DSP technology to actually cut out noise, unwanted noise I should say. Also guys, you have a pairing button should the auto pair not work, and of course you've got that USB-C charging port on the bottom. Now looking at the receiver, you have a TRS audio output and power button. On the other side you have a USB-C charging port which you get an adapter for. Now this is a USB-C and combined 3.5mm headphone socket, so it could kind of double as a charge port and headphone monitor port at the same time, so that's pretty cool. And guys, you have the volume up and down buttons which if you long press will change the orientation of the screen. On the front you have the LCD which shows your battery level and it shows the transmit from each of the mics, mute and volume level. Now, a very important feature of this Vimo C system is that the power button on the receiver is also a mode button. Yeah, a mode button. This switch enables you to switch the audio output mode to either mono, where a single or both microphones will be mixed down to mono, stereo, whereby the mics are on one channel each, and safety, which allows you to record a mixed mono signal on one channel and the other is recorded at a lower level, so you can protect yourself from those sudden bangs and crashes that can sometimes distort your audio. Now, before we get into a bit of a test, the Vimo C uses condenser mic capsules with CD quality sound, and like I said, it utilises some clever DSP tech to reduce that unwanted outside noise. So first off guys, I'm going to switch out my usual mic and hook this one up. It's actually recording already to the camera, so I'm just going to clip it on here and I'm going to switch the audio around. So first of all, I'm going to do this test indoors, so you should be able to hear me recording to this microphone, and then right now I'm going to pop outside and I'm going to do exactly the same with this microphone. So guys, here you can see that I'm actually about 8 foot away from my camera, Sony A7S III, with my Rode Video NTG microphone, and if I walk away from the mic, obviously I'm going to become a lot quieter and you're not going to hear me. Now I'm about 10-12 foot away and I'm pretty sure that you can't really hear me that well. And as I walk closer, there we go, you can hear what I'm saying again. So that's the downside of having a fixed microphone, shotgun microphone or otherwise, on the end of a camera if you've got to be moving around. Now let's switch it out for the Comica and let's see what we get with this little beauty, which I'm going to now clip to me. Let's see how we go. So guys, I'm actually behind the camera now. I've got the Comica Vimo C actually strapped to my shirt. I'm going to walk in front of the camera now and I'm going to keep walking, and actually the sound shouldn't get any different as I walk away further and further, about 20-30 foot away from the camera now, and quite frankly it should be just as clear as it was when I was standing in front of the camera. And I shall carry on walking back to the camera and the audio quality shouldn't change at all. I don't know how this is going to sound, I haven't got the windshield on, but what I'm going to do is go and quickly put that on right now. So guys, back now, I've got the windshield attached to the Vimo C, and again I'm going to walk away. It is quite windy, you can see the trees are blowing, I'm walking away, there's a bit of background noise out here, it's quite windy, so let's just see how this microphone with this wind muff, windshield, call it what you like, is going to fare with this wind. So there you go guys, that's the audio test done, and let's get back into the studio and see what we've got. So guys, there you have it. I'll let you be the judge on that audio quality, but rest assured I never touch my audio, whether it's from my studio mic or portable mics or whatever. I never touch it. You get my audio the way it's recorded. Now guys, distance wise, Comica say around 200 meters, which quite frankly I ain't leaving my camera at 200 meters and walking away. But you kind of get it, right? If you're filming somebody and you need to get some distance on them, then you know what? 200 meters is some pretty impressive range. Now, I did try the noise reduction, and you know what? It was what it was. It was okay, but I felt that whilst it did cut out some frequencies, it did make my voice sound highly compressed. So for me, I actually preferred the sound quality with the slight background noise present, rather than trying to cut it out and really interfering with the frequencies of my voice. So guys, this is the sound quality that you're getting with the denoise function turned off. So we've got a little bit of wind noise in the background, and this is the sound quality with it turned off. I'm now going to flip the switch, which now turns the blue LED to green, and you can hear what that sounds like with the denoise turned on. It's there if you want to play with it. It's your choice guys. Battery life is a solid 8 hours with around 20 hours from the charge case, so that should get you through a full day. But of course, if you need to, you can still charge the individual units using that USB-C charge port. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. This is a solid piece of kit. The audio is nice and clear, you get mono, stereo and that safety track recording. You also get a very respectable range and battery life. It comes with all of the accessories that you're going to need to connect it to cameras and smartphones, although you will need to get a lightning cable for an iPhone, so just bear that in mind. And guys, at the time of making this video, this Vimo C is £159 on Amazon, and that's cheap. Guys, if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thank you for watching. Thanks to Comica for sending me this Vimo C to review. It's pretty impressive. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.